Hi again and welcome back to our series, How to Get to Perfect Motion. Before you start path tuning, we strongly recommend completing all other basic tuning steps for every axis. In the previous clips, we showed you how to make your axes stable, fast, and smooth. Today, we'll make sure all interpolating axes move perfectly in sync so you can achieve the highest accuracy. For that, it's absolutely essential that feedback loop tuning has been done for all path axes, or the results have been loaded from AST, and that jerk limits tuning for all interpolating axes has been successfully completed. In the first step of path tuning, check path relevant settings. Make sure all basic settings are the same for all interpolating axes. You can see the key parameters and their required values listed above. If one or more values for the interpolating axes are not correct, go to your machine and adjust the settings in the axis machine data. The corresponding machine data number or name can be found in the online help. Finally, check the filter time constant in the last column. Next, go to Step Select Axes and choose all interpolating path axes. If tapping is required, make sure to include the spindle for path tuning as well. In the final step, Equalize Path. You'll see the equivalent times for all selected axes on the left. STC will automatically apply a suitable delay so that all equivalent times match. This ensures that, even for highly dynamic contours, the contour accuracy is as good as possible. If the spindle is used as an interpolating axis for tapping, the position setpoint filter settings will also be adjusted accordingly. Finally, click Confirm and activate new values to complete the path tuning. Good to know. Once path tuning is complete and all position setpoint filters are equal, the path synchronization will be correct, meaning your circles should be perfectly round. You can verify the roundness by running the circularity test in Cinemeric Operate. It is likely that there is no need for additional delays. Then you will see zeros for the delay times. Nevertheless, it is useful to confirm the path tuning. At least the spindle will get the required position setpoint filter. Congratulations! If you've completed all the basic tuning steps with us in this series, your machine should now be perfectly tuned. To evaluate the results, we recommend producing a test workpiece and checking three key aspects: surface quality, cutting time, and contour accuracy. Stay tuned for more videos.